Hi, this is we are going to say about DDL trigger DDL trigger for create for DDL statements. For that, I'm going to create a DDL trigger for create statement. For that, I'm going to create trigger tr underscore DDL trigger on database for create table. For whenever I'll create a table, then this trigger should execute. For that, I have created this one, and in that I have given a print statement that is like it's going to print this event data. This actually event data function returns a XML value in which we are going to cast that one into an varchar of maximum. There in event data we'll get the details about all the table when it is created or what we are and login details, everything we will get for this event data. If let me create this. I have created this table for create statement, trigger for create statement, and here I am going to create a table with ex1 by name, and it's having an id and a varchar data type. If I try to execute this, see I'm going to what I'm going to get the output like. I'm printing like event data, all the when it is created, how it is created, and it's a server name, login name. See all the details we are getting here. This is what we have created for a DDL trigger for create statement. And the other one is all these DDL triggers are stored in this particular database, and there in that programmability we can see the database triggers. In this, if we refresh it, see you can see this DDL create has been this trigger has been database trigger has been created. Okay, and then the next thing is for alter or drop table. I'm going to create an trigger. If what is in this trigger, what I have given is you must, whenever if you alter or drop a table, I'm getting a statement like you must disable that particular table. For that, if I try to alter this table, like it's having a char type varchar, so for that I am going to change it like into a new into a character type. For this I'm going to create this, execute, and then if I alter this, I'll get and stay like you must first disable this one. See, if I disable this one, and then if I execute this, see now you can see here columns, you can see it has been changed into the character. And again, if I want to change it to, and if I enable this, if I change now, if I want to change to varchar, see now we can't change it. See, if I refresh it also, this is the same thing. This is what we have created for whenever we want to drop or alter this particular table. It is going to execute this, and if we disable this particular trigger only, then we are able to alter or drop that particular table. Okay, and then next thing what we are going to see is how we are going to disable this particular trigger. See, I'm having a view. For that way, in that view, employee details view, I have a trigger like instead of update trigger. If I first disable this one and execute, see, and then if I try to update this, we'll get an error like including modification effects multiple. And again, if I enable that particular trigger, and again if I update this, see the update statement has been executed, and this see, update xyz have been employee id with 5 with exam id has been changed. This is what we have seen, like how to disable or enable the trigger and how to create a DDL trigger for create, alter, and drop. These are for all these for 3 DDL statements. How we have created these triggers we have seen. For to see these triggers where it has been, we have to go to the particular database, and this per programmability. There you can see this triggers database. See here we can see this all DDL triggers over here. That's it for today. Thank you for